Everybody, it's Ms. Salazar, and welcome to reading. So, for today, we're going to talk about family poetry, and basically, we're going to be reading some poems about family. Now, this is the page, it's page 55 in your textbook, and we're going to be reading some of these poems, and these poems talk about family. Now, let's see. Over here, it says, a family may have parents, brothers, sisters, grandparents, cousins, and more. People in a family visit one another and spend time together. Poets write about these remembered times. Listen to the rhythm of these family poems as you read them. Now, the thing is, poets are the people that write the poems, okay? Just as authors are the people that write the stories, well, poets are the people that write poems. And in class, we're going to be reading some of these poems about family members. And here is another poem about family. And then we get to talk about how to write our own family poem. And we get to do that together. Now, here are some important vocabulary words that are taken from the poems, right? So, what is poetry? Poetry is basically a story that is told in phrases and sometimes it rhymes. So, it's a story that rhymes, it's a story that it's told in phrases. Sometimes it's not complete sentences, and it's a little bit different from a regular story. And then a poetry has rhythm. So, a rhythm, it's kind of like a pattern of beats, and you're going to notice that when you see when you see and you hear the words that rhyme, but you'll see that when we're in class and we're reading the poems. But poetry has rhythm, and rhythm are just a pattern of beats, kind of like music. And then a glossary is a list of words with their definition. Now, the assessment for today, we're going to be finding the definition of the words in the glossary. Now, the words are on the next slide. And here are the words: cousin, spend, porch, visit, remembered, piano, crown, and stuck. So, you guys are going to find the definition for these vocabulary words, and you're going to find them in your glossary. Now, your glossary is in your textbook, and it's at the end of your textbook. I'm going to show you in class, but that's what we're going to be doing. So, we're going to be talking about poetry, we're going to be talking about these poems that are about family, and we're going to be looking for the definition of these vocabulary words in a glossary, okay? And remember, poets are the people that write the poems, and a poem has rhythm. And we're going to be talking about all of that in class. And that's going to be it. Bye, everybody.